Hey everybody, it's Troy with C8 Garage, and today I'm installing these lifting pucks. They go underneath all four corners of the vehicle. There's an oblong hole in certain locations throughout that this bracket sits, or this puck sits on there, underneath there. Has the two screws coming up through the puck, and then it screws into this bracket. So underneath the vehicle, there are oblong holes that run north and south on the front end, and I believe north and south on the rear as well. But you're going to basically hang from that bracket with those screws coming through that puck, and you're going to stick it up through the hole, turn it 90 degrees perpendicular, and tighten it up. And kind of a nice safety feature so that you or any mechanic gets underneath there can obviously see where the lifting points are on the 4-point lifts. If it's not done correctly with the rear engine, this vehicle can actually tip off that lift. So I hope this is helpful, and if you like it, please smash it, and I will get a map on my Instagram page showing you the exact locations underneath the vehicle. And also, I purchased these at Paragon Performance. So if you go paragonperformanceproducts.com, you can easily find these under the C8. I think they were probably about $40-50, but I think you can actually get them on Amazon too. They are relatively cheap, but a great safety feature. But like I said, you could probably find these on Amazon. But anyways, please like this, and I will give you a nice little quick shot of the C8. But basically, there's one right underneath here. Flip that around, and you see the cross member here that right after the wheel well. There's a cross member, and then about 3 inches back is the puck, and you can see how the two screws actually go perpendicular to the opening, and you can actually then tighten it up right to the body or to the frame. So anyways, hope you like this. Talk to you guys soon.